Getting paid on time starts with a proper claim schedule, and in Paperless, your payment milestones live under project settings, claim templates, HIA 5-stage, HIA 6-stage for New South Wales, MBA, or build your own. Every stage name and every percentage is yours to amend, as long as they sum to 100. While we're in settings, your invoice wording. Under invoice branding, there's a terms and conditions block. You can edit however you like. And notice what Paperless adds on its own. Every Australian invoice carries the statutory payment claim statement. This is a payment claim made under the Security of Payment Act, worded for your project's state automatically. Let's load the suggested terms and save. Now the job itself. Open Mitty's house, finance, claims. The schedule's applied, 6 stages, 5% deposit through to practical completion, $700,000 mapped out. The deposit is already flagged ready to invoice. Here's the automation. Watch what happens when the slab is signed off in the schedule. Mark the milestone complete, and the matching claim stage wakes up on its own. Base slab stage, not due a second ago, now ready to invoice, $105,000. Your schedule drives your money, no sticky note required. And when a stage is due, Paperless finishes the job 2 ways. Your choice, set per template. Either it generates the invoice right here and emails it to your client, or if your accountant raises invoices outside Paperless, it emails them everything they need instead. Watch the deposit, invoice generated, numbered, and sent, and the stage ticks over to invoiced. And here's the invoice your client receives. Your logo, the claim amount, and at the bottom, in writing, this is a payment claim made under the Building and Construction Industry Security of Payment Act. If the season ever turns into a payment dispute, that one line is what keeps the Act's fast track on your side. Set the template once, keep the schedule honest, and the claims raise themselves. Every stage, every percentage, every dollar on the record. Next up, managing your finances.